Cambodia marked water festival with boat race and festive flight in Phnom Penh. The annual water festival in Cambodia has brought thousands of people to Tonle Sap riverfront from Choi Chongwa Bridge to Koh Pich Islands for an exciting celebration of boat race and festive flight. On the first day, about 174 pairs of beautiful decorated boats from different parts of the country begin competing in 1,700 mirror race. Audience lining the river bank cheer with chants and drums, creating a lively atmosphere.
Cambodia is celebrating Water Festival from November 14 to 16, making its second year back after cancellation due to COVID-19 and the ASEAN Summit. This year festival, they have 348 boats in total, and the 3-day celebration is one of the most joyful in Cambodia.
Along the river, local vendors set up stalls, offering a variety of delicious food, handmade craft, and the other items for festive visitors to enjoy.
ប្រៀបធៀបនឹងឆ្នាំតមិញនឹងឆ្នាំនេះភ្ញៀវទេសចរឆ្នាំនេះច្រើនជាងឆ្នាំតមិញគេមកតាំងពីព្រលឹមមកគេមកដើរលេងបាទទល់ចិត្តភ្លឺបើគេទៅវិញគេដើរដូចថាគេដើរលេងសប្បាយដោយប្រទេសយើងមានសុខសន្តិភាពល្អហើយយើងសុខភាពសង្គមក៏ល្អជាងមុនដែរអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងទៅប្រជាជនយើងសប្បាយរីករាយក្នុងការដើរមិនមានចោលលួចចោលឆក់អីទេល្អជាងមុនសារជាងមុន
The festival marked the end of the rainy season, showing the gratitude to the nature, especially water, for supporting a good harvest. Each evening, 36 colorful boats representing public and private institutions will be illuminated and glide along the river. A spectacular display of the fireworks will add to the celebrations, creating for enchanting scenes for thousands of spectators.
Very busy, very impressive, loads of boats. It's my first time here, so I didn't know what to expect, but yeah, I really liked it. We actually didn't know at all, and we discovered today, and we decided to just come here. Everybody's out, the lights on the boats is very nice. The fireworks was nice as well, and I don't know what's going to happen after, but we'll see.
The Water Festival, one of Cambodia's most loved events, brings people from across the country to the capital for main-street events. The boat race, Loi Pratip, the display of illuminated boats, Sampeh Prakai, Moon Festival, and All Ambok, a dish of crushed glutinous rice with banana or coconut juice. This festival is not only for a time for fun, but also a celebration for Cambodian heritage and traditions.
តាមខ្ញុំឈ្មោះដៃគោចូលកែវជ័យបារមីចៅសែនទូខ្នាតវែងប្រភេទបរោះចំណុះ75នាក់ខ្នាតវែងសរុបចំណុះដែលចុះអុំ75នាក់ខាងចំណុះខ្ញុំអុំបានល្អបានជោគជ័យទាំងពីរជើងតើយើងកីឡាចាញ់ឈ្នះយើងសំខាន់នេះគឺរឿងធម្មតាព្រោះយើងឈ្នះយើងបានជ័យជំនះទៅការសប្បាយចិត្តទៅចាញ់ឈ្នះជាការធម្មតាបាទ
ខ្ញុំមកនឹងទូក idol ក្នុងចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំទូកខេត្តបន្ទាយមានជ័យដោយសារខ្ញុំនៅខេត្តបន្ទាយមានជ័យចានិយាយទៅខ្ញុំចង់និយាយថាឲ្យយុវជនក្មេងៗអីគាត់មកជួយគ្រប់គ្រងឲ្យបានច្រើនទៅនឹងបនអុំទូកជាតិខ្មែររបស់យើងចាពីព្រោះពេលយើងមកគ្រប់គ្រងអញ្ចឹងទៅដូចថាខ្ញុំនៅខេត្តបន្ទាយមានជ័យពេលមកគ្រប់គ្រងអ្នកខ្លះទៅគាត់ឲ្យជាកម្លាំងចិត្តគាត់ពេលខ្លះគាត់មានកម្លាំងចិត្តក្នុងការអុំឲ្យបានទទួលជ័យជំនះ
Kleng Kim Hui, See Today, Phnom Penh.